In this video, you'll learn how to connect ClickUp with Gmail so you can bring your emails and tasks together in one smooth workflow. We'll take things step by step, keep it simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect as you set this up. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. You'll want to start from the main dashboard where you can see your usual spaces, lists, and tasks. From here, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your global navigation bar, the place you use to move around ClickUp, no matter which part of your workspace you're in. In that left-hand global navigation, look for the App Center. Depending on your layout or theme, it may be shown as App Center or simply Apps, but it will always be located in that left-hand panel. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a dedicated area where you can browse and manage integrations and third-party apps that work with ClickUp. Once the App Center opens, you'll see a search bar at the top along with various apps and integrations you can connect. This is where you'll find Gmail. Click into the search bar and type Gmail. As you type, ClickUp will filter the available apps and show you anything related to Gmail. When you see Gmail appear in the results, click on it. This will open the Gmail integration page within the App Center. Here, you'll usually see a quick overview that explains what the integration does, such as letting you send and receive emails from tasks or link your messages to your workflows. It's worth taking a brief moment to glance at this description so you understand how the connection will be used inside ClickUp. Now you're ready to actually connect your account. On the Gmail integration page, look for the Connect button and click it. This is the key action that starts the process of linking your Gmail account to ClickUp. When you click Connect, a new window or tab may appear, prompting you to sign into your Google account if you aren't signed in already. At this point, choose the Gmail account you want to connect to ClickUp. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one where you manage the emails that should interact with your tasks and projects. After selecting your account, Google will show you a permissions screen. This is where Google explains what ClickUp will be able to do, such as reading or sending emails on your behalf within the integration. Take a moment to review these permissions so you're comfortable with the connection. If everything looks good, click Allow to confirm. This approval is what completes the secure link between ClickUp and Gmail. Google will then close the window and you'll be taken back to the ClickUp App Center. Once you're back in ClickUp, you should see that Gmail now shows as connected. From here, you can begin using the integration in your workspace, for example, by accessing Gmail features directly from tasks or simply knowing that your email account is now tied into your ClickUp environment. And that's all there is to it. You went to the App Center in the left-hand global navigation, searched for Gmail, clicked on it, and then used the Connect button to link your Gmail account. After confirming access with Google, your Gmail integration is ready to use inside ClickUp.